Today I'll be reviewing my Rubik's Cube collection. So first here, we got the GAN 330. It's the keychain cube, if you didn't know. Give me a sec. It comes with this nice keychain. And actually, not gonna lie, the turning is kind of good. Next, we got this plastic cube. It turns very slow. Just look at how painful it is to turn this cube. Next, you can call this the. I forgot why I call this cube, but it's a $2 shop. It's like a $20. It's like a 20 ringgit 4x4 from the shop. The turning is okay overall, I guess you can say, but after I looped it, it just busted. Next, my personal cube. My personal favorite cube, the 5x5, the Moyu 5x5. Pretty sure it's Moyu. Oh wait, no, it's Mofang. Wait, no, what was it actually? Moyu or? Give me a sec. Yeah, it's Moyu. No, this is Meilong. This is the Meilong 5x5. Yes, the turning is. It's questionable, but it's fine overall. Next, the GAN 356 RS. It is like a nice little GAN speed cube. I mean, it's turning quite fast after I like looped it like 1,000 times. So. Next, the Meilong 4x4. Yes, this is another 4x4, and I mean, I do not know the software of 4x4 yet, but I mean, the turning is okay, you could say. I mean, just look at it. Next, the Meilong 3x3. Okay, seriously, this cube is kind of questionable. The turning is kind of good, but it's a bit fast, and I mean, just look at this. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly do this. Okay, so yeah, it's basically a Meilong 3x3. Last but not least, a $10 Rubik's Cube from another store here. I mean, the turning is good overall, but makes a really annoying noise, and oh crap. Give me a sec. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's all the collection. That's the whole collection of my. That's all the Rubik's cubes in my collection. So please subscribe and like this video. I'm on a quest to get to 100 subscribers. Please subscribe.